What makes this bike special is that it is a limited edition. This is a replica, or not a replica, a 30th anniversary celebration of the original Honda Z50M. So the Z50M was the very first commercially produced monkey bike, and you'll notice that these are in the same colors as the Z50M. On that, let's get straight into finding these monkeys. We got a great lineup this week. In fact, all the times that I've been doing this, I haven't seen so many limited editions in one auction. There's the guy we're looking for specifically, which is the 1977 30th anniversary. But just to show you how cool this week's auction is, there's the Z50M that bike is celebrating. So this is a remake 30 years after the initial launch of the Z50M, which was the first commercially produced motorcycle, or Z50 monkey. Well, it's not a Z50, well, it is Z50M, but that was the very first commercially produced monkey for Honda. And not only is there one of them, there's two, and there's two SPs as well. Next to the SP, that's a Millennium. That one came out in the Millennium, obviously, 2000, and that was to celebrate the original Z50A, the red version of this. For those of you that know the monkeys, these came out in a number of different colors, but similar paintwork, same paintwork. This is celebrating, it's a Millennium limited edition celebrating the original Z50As. So what a lineup. Anyway, we're here to look at this Honda SP. So let's take a look at this bike over here. So there you go, the 30th edition. This bike is in immaculate condition for its age. This is almost, 77, 3 years, so it's 47 odd years old. Look at the condition of the engine there. Really, really good. The great thing about these Japanese auctions, which you can get through my50.com, is it takes you through the bike. There's about 30 photos of the bike, so you can really see the detail. Here we can see the clock, 2,191 Ks on this clock. So it has been ridden, probably around the guy's lounge by the looks of things, or the condition, but it is in really good condition. That's probably got a little bit of damage, but not too serious. But overall, these photos will give you a good view of what you can expect from the bike. So if you're looking to purchase this bike, all the information is here. Need a hand in the garage? Grab your free motorcycle workshop manual from my50.com. No cost, no catch, just real manuals for real riders. Download yours today. Okay, we've had a great look at what the bike's condition is, but what we really came for is, what did it sell for? Let's take a look. So we put in a bid price of 300,000. It eventually went for 368,000 yen, which is actually pretty decent. I thought it would go for a little bit more than that, but that just shows you we still got the ability to get some great deals out there for limited edition bikes. If you're keen to bid on motorcycles in Japan, you can head over to our website. It's my50.com and go to the Japanese auction pages, and you can sign in or register for a free account by clicking on over there. It's free to sign up. Once you've signed up, you will have access to all the auctions in Japan. It'll take you through to this page over here, which will give you all the auctions that are available in Japan. These are the upcoming auctions here. And as you can see, it's not only small bikes. We have all kinds of bikes that are available, big bikes, small bikes. And in fact, not only Japanese bikes. You can see over here, Suzuki, Harley Davidson. Suzuki's obviously Japanese, but Harley Davidson, BMW, Ducati, Triumph, KTM. So not only Japanese bikes, there's a full array of bikes for you to look at, bid on, and go for. So for example, we got this Kawasaki Ninja here. You'll see it's a rank 5. As always, it gives you all the details. We have a number of photos available, descriptions of the bike, detailed photos so you can see any blemishes or any issues with the bike. There's, as I said, descriptions of anything that might be wrong or that you should be aware of. And then last but not least, there's a video of the bike. So you can actually see the bike running, you can listen to the engine, and there you go. So yeah, if you'd like us to help you get some bikes from Japan, please feel free, head on over to my50.com, sign up for your free account. Thanks for watching, guys. If we've added any value, feel free to subscribe and like our channel, and we look forward to helping you buy bikes from Japan.